into Kansas City. You know, driving in this shit ain't so bad. You know, if people just would have fucking act like they got brains, it ain't even slick out. I mean, everybody's fucking running 20 miles a fucking hour. And if you just act like you had some brains, you know, it ain't nothing driving this shit. And reckon I know this ain't that bad right here, but God damn it, you think it would be the way people are driving. But I don't know. Who knows? I mean, goddamn. They say Iowa's shut down up here, but fuck them. We're going up north anyway. Going up here. Get on 435. Get up here on 35. Head up there to Des Moines. 1.5 miles. Oh, further than that. Anyway, I'm shutting her back down. See you later. Yep.